Hello guys, in the last video we created a login page and a home page. So when we click on the login button, we go to home page, like we use user ID and password, admin and admin. Then we move to it says logged in successfully and we go to the home page. There is no session or something. If we use password or user ID wrong, then it won't allow us to go anywhere. It will just not take us anywhere. It will just say incorrect user ID and password. So in this tutorial what we are going to learn is we are going to learn CSS. Like as of now we can see the CSS is not properly aligned, so we are going to cover CSS in as fast as possible. So I will just start it. So what we can do is we can put everything in a div tag. That should be the first thing which we should do. So let me create some div and give it an ID or a class. So the basic prerequisite of the course is you should know at least basic of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, because these are the things which are going to help at the end. Okay, so I have created one div tag and I have named it as div1. Then also I will make sure like input tag is okay, this form tag is okay. I can give it like give it a class. Okay, leave it. Okay, so before div tag, what I want to display here is like what is the page for H2 and login page. So what I want to say is our end product should look something like this. As of now it is looking like this, and when we are done it should look something like this. So this is what we are going to cover in this CSS: how to make it block, how to give it a rectangular form like a structure, and then input tag, then how to make a button circular, these things basically which we are going to cover. So that's why first I had like H2, and then we will keep checking that what is the changing happening. So here we can see login page. What we will see, we will give some space between this button and this button, and we will create a new button. So I think there is space already between username and password. Okay, give one more. Okay, and then we will create a reset button. Just type is equal to button, name is equal to reset button, then value is equal to reset, so that will be the value which will be displayed on the button. ID is equal to button something, and then there is no function call, or we will do a function call of reset. Okay, and let's see how does it looks. Just make a BR here also. Okay, just okay, so it looks better than what we had, and what we have coming, that we will keep for comparison. Okay, just so this login page, it is like aligned center, so that is what we are going to do. So we will start a style tag here to start writing our CSS, and then we will mention this H2, which is kind of for align column center, display column block, So let's see what it does. H2 login page 11 colon center display colon block. Okay, no problem. We will put it under a div tag. Div class is equal to header. We'll close that div tag. It took all the property. Okay, we didn't close this div. Okay, no problem, let's keep moving. So the form, we want to display the form in a circular style, right? This is how we want to display it. First of all, it should be center. Second of all, it should be in circle, rectangular box. Okay, let's make body align colon center. Let's see if it changes. Okay, it's fine. It's changing. Then we will do what? We will go to has class. Class will use dot class div1, and then we will use the properties whatever we are going to use for this one, like border colon 1 pixel, solid, then color, tomato color, and let's see is there anything. Okay, display colon inline block. Okay, I'll just put BR here. Okay, so this is something similar to this as of now. Let's put some padding. So that it will create some space between this username and this border. Okay, see, there is some space now, so it makes look better. Now let's make it circular. So border hyphen radius colon 5 pixel. So 5 pixel will be the radius now. So this corner will convert into edges. See, it became just soft. We will do the same thing for input tag also. So let's put one for the input tag, and we can see there is just little change in the space. So I'll just put one space here, password ampersand NBSP semicolon. So it will create one space here. See, so it got aligned. Now we will do it for input tag. Same thing, we can copy paste or what. So we will put border and padding also for input tag. Let's see what happens to the input tag. Oh, I'll decrease the padding. Okay, I think it should be 3 will be good. Okay, what happened? The button also got created. Okay, button still have its own class. So we can see the buttons are having their own ID. It's better to change them into class, because when you are having ID, it won't apply on both of the buttons. It will get applied only on one, but when you have class, it will apply on both the buttons. So what do I want? First I want is there should be some space between these two buttons, so I will give them a margin of around 30 pixels. So this margin is taking from all sided, 30 pixel left, right, whatever. I just want 30 pixel in the left or right, so I need to give them like, so margin starts from first top, then left, then right, then this. So top 0, side 30, down 0, and then this 0. So let's see what happens. Okay, we will do the other way. So that because we had given right side, so it taking right margin here and right margin here, but we will give it left. Okay, 30 is little less, let's make 50. Okay, 60. So this is how CSS is mostly like a hit and trial. Don't make it more than 70. Okay, so this looks better. We can give a background color to the button, so it's usually better. Okay, this login page we didn't give them any color. Background color colon tomato. So we are going to follow this tomato red. There's something with this H2. Okay, we have this H2 in which div? Class is equal to header. This div is also not getting closed. Okay, I will come to that part later. First we make the button look beautiful. So button, how should it look? So text color black as it is, but the background color of button should be like the same. So it's like background color again tomato. Okay, so this just looks similar to this, just the alignment is somewhere here and there. Okay, so let me just check what are the things which we are missing, and I will get. Okay, so what was happening is, let me just put it this side. What was happening is it was looking like this, right? So it was not going in the center, the background color was not coming. So what I mixed here is align colon center. Instead of align, I should have mentioned text align, because I want to move the text. Text align colon center, and then this background color, this I should correct it. Tomato. And let's see how it looks now. Okay, so it's better. We adjust a little. Okay, so button is not as circular as this one. To increase the, you can increase the border of the button. Okay, so let's increase the border of this button. Border hyphen radius colon, and let's make it 7 pixel or 10 pixel. Okay, so now buttons are more circular. Okay, it needs little padding to look big. 5 pixel padding, because the button is like they're trying to. Okay, so now it looks little big, it looks little padding, and then decrease this. Don't need this much, I don't need even that much, but it's fine. Then we just need to now bring this box in the center. Okay. Looking at 50. What I want to even display that when we do this like a small in size, it should not impact or something. It won't go slow. This isn't this. Then let's give it a margin for the time being, unless I find out. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to put this div this div1 in with a margin of some 40%. Give it a margin. Let's see what happens. Does it touch something? Okay, 30 is too less. Okay, so this looks better. We will save it with this folder. Okay, just also this looks still better. Okay, just try to maintain the margin and reduces, but we can fix it. We will fix it in the next one. So in the next one we will learn how to do things in Bootstrap, because I'm just giving you basic idea of CSS, like how to do a login page, how to make it circular, how to make it looks better, how to maintain the color, like this color, and the button color should be same, the inset should be same, and how it can be made into a form, and how to access the div tags and all. In the next one we will do the same thing, but we will be using Bootstrap. So there are so many benefits of using Bootstrap. You don't have to code everything. The color and all, when you write h2, it will fetch it automatically from Bootstrap. So we will search which website we are going to use for Bootstrap, and then we will access it accordingly. Thank you guys. Cheers. Keep up for the next video. Bye.